Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace your mag switch. We're going to need a prying tool, a number 3 Allen wrench, and the mag switch, of course, which will come like this. First thing we're going to do is remove the syringe, so we will start with the heaters here. Slide these down, and we'll just hang there. Alright, so we'll loosen the nut, top collar, and this. Take the springs off and spin this around to remove it. If you want more detail on this, there's a video showing how to do it. Alright, and then we'll take our number 3 Allen wrench and remove this top pin here. And that will allow this to hang down below. We take our prying tool, slide it in between here, pop these two little rivets out like that. This will actually just slide behind there like so. Now right in here, there is a plug, which we will remove. Sorry, my hands are in the way. See a red one right here. We're going to remove the red plug and then pop out the switch here. Like that. It's removing the old one. Take our new one, slide it in through here like so, and then push it flush with the collar. We will reinstall the plug, tuck it up under there, cover plugs back in. And this goes right back into here. Should tighten that down. Your push pins will just plug right back into here, like that. Reinstall your syringe, calibrate, and you're ready to go.